Welcome back to the currency markets, where the rupee has inched lower today as political uncertainty at the center continues to weigh onto the investor sentiment. Also, month-end dollar demand by oil importers also put pressure on the price there. On your screens, more than 0.25% of a decline coming in for the Indian rupee. Let's get in then. Pramit Brahmbhatt, he is CEO Al-Pari Financial Services, now joins us on a phone line from Ahmedabad for his view on the currency. Pramit, hi, welcome. How have you seen the rupee? Because after seeing a one-week highs in the markets yesterday, considerable decline yesterday and today as well. It, of course, is a truncated week. But on Thursday, what kind of a move are you expecting?
Well, what we have seen in rupee is not only domestic, the global pressure is also coming from the uncertainty in Cyprus, and the investors are moving towards safe haven. There is a short week in India, our market is not taking too much of risk and remaining cautious on the rupee side. That's what we have seen, and 54.20 is a key level which we have keep watching. So it seems that the rupee is not managed to break that level and is going to remain above that level.
Pramit, what kind of cues are you seeing from the international markets now? Because the Eurozone concerns refuse to die and the dollar index continues as a safe haven.
That's right, because we have seen that last week there was a depreciation coming in US dollar against the major currencies like yen and euro as well as sterling. But this week is a much of a cautious week on the back of uncertainty. It is expected that the uncertainty will fade away by end of this week, and the next week we'll see some sort of gain will come in the non-dollar currency. That will also benefit rupee.
What's your sense now coming in for the next week as well? Because barring Thursday, what kind of a range are you working with, and what would you follow? Politics in India, or the March ending getting over, or more of international cues?
I think it's a bit of mix of all. If you see, the political uncertainty is already priced in, but definitely the March end demand as well as the global uncertainty is hovering around the rupee. I would say that the range for the rupee is still 54.20 to 54.80 kind of a range, where we have seen the rupee is more or less most of this month.
All right, Pramit, we'll let you go at that. So that's the Al-Pari's range coming in for the Indian rupee. 54.20 to 54.80 is where they see rupee trading. Vijay, what's your sense with the kind of move that we have seen?